Hi friends, so today we are reviewing urban communities. So I'm going to read our text to you here, and then on the next slide you're going to have another video in which I will read the questions to you. This is just like the one that we did before where you're going to read the text and then you have a fill in the blank that you're going to have to do. And you guys did really great on that one. So this is the same one, except for this time we're talking about urban communities. So urban communities are often referred to as cities. Urban communities contain a lot of people living close together. There is a little open space and few natural areas. More people live here than live in rural or suburban communities. Most people live in homes or apartment homes. Since there is so little land available, buildings can be several stories high. People can work or live in high-rise buildings. Most people do not have yards. Smaller pets are more ideal since they can stay inside. Because there are so many people, traffic can also be a large problem in large cities. People may not own their own car. They might choose to travel by bus, train, subway, rideshare, or taxi. There are lots of choices for entertainment or eating out in urban areas. People have a large selection of restaurants, museums, theaters, and sports arenas.